everyone, welcome back to Ananta where creativity meets coding. Today I'm here to showcase my latest project, a simple typing application that helps you to improve your typing skills while having a little fun. So let's go. This typing application has a simple, clean, user-friendly interface built with HTML, CSS and Bootstrap for styling. It allows users to select difficulty levels, which determines the text they'll be typing. So we have 3 difficulty levels here: as simple, average and difficult. Each level presents a different string of a text that user can practice with. First, let's look at the radio buttons for selecting the difficulty levels. So when you choose one of these options, the application dynamically updates the reference text you will be typing. For example, if you select simple, the app will display basic description of array. Choosing average or difficult gives you more complex sentences, making it a great way to challenge yourself as you improve your typing skills. So now let's break down the code behind this. First up, we have this HTML structure which includes radio buttons for selecting difficulty levels, and depending upon which radio button you chose, the myfunc function updates the text displayed in the read-only input field. Next, we have the blurfunc function which checks your typed input against the original text. If you typed any word from the displayed text, it counts how many you got right, calculates your typing accuracy in percentage. So this real-time feedbacks really keeps you motivated and to improve. And also, if you forgot to type anything, it alerts you to enter something before proceeding. Now look at the main typing area. The reference text is displayed in the read-only text box, so you can't modify this text obviously. Below that, there is an input field where you will type your response. Now, as soon as you start typing, the reference text clears out. This feature helps you focus on typing without any distraction. So once you finish typing, you can click away from the text box to trigger the evolution function. And then these apps count how many words from the input match the reference text and calculate percentage, how accurately you type. So this gives you a clear idea of your typing proficiency. Right. So simply it first gives you a text box on based upon which difficulty level you chose, and then when you start typing, the text disappears. Also when you finish, you get to know what your progress instantly. This immediate feedback really helpful for your improvement. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear your thoughts. As always, I say, what you want to add in this typing application, leave your suggestions and anything in the comment below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more coding projects and tutorials. Don't forget to click that bell icon and also check out the source code on my GitHub. So, thanks for watching and keep typing. Until next time, see you in the next video. Until then, stay techtastic. Bye-bye.